The prospect of near-Earth asteroid strikes is a legitimate and ongoing concern for space agencies like NASA, especially as the number of detected near-Earth objects increases. Asteroids like 20240N, which is roughly the size of a stadium at 290 meters across, reminds us that while catastrophic collisions are rare, Earth is not immune to potential impacts. The most famous asteroid event is the one that was 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, which struck the Earth around 66 million years ago, wiping out the dinosaurs and causing global-scale environmental change. Since that extinction level event, Earth has experienced other significant impacts, although none have approached the same magnitude. In 1908, there was, though not technically a direct strike by an asteroid, an explosion over Siberia, which is believed to have been caused by a small asteroid or a comet fragment, and it flattened 2,000 square kilometers of forest with an estimated explosive force equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. In 2013, a 20-meter wide asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere over Russia, causing a bright explosion that injured 1,500 people because of broken glass. And this event highlighted the danger posed by relatively small objects from space. The 2002 MN, a 73-meter asteroid, passed within 121,000 kilometers of Earth, about one-third the distance to the moon, and it was discovered only 3 days after its close approach, underscoring the need for more vigilant tracking of these near-Earth objects. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observation Program is dedicated to tracking asteroids like 2024 ON and 2002 MN, which pass within the 1 million kilometers range of Earth, and the 2024 will be in that area. Close in astronomical terms, but still distant enough to pose no immediate threat, apparently. Despite its large size of 290 meters, 2024 ON's trajectory will keep it more than 2.6 times the distance between Earth and Moon. And the object speed, 40,000 kilometers per hour, is impressive, but it is under careful observation by global observatories, including the Virtual Telescope Project. I don't know what this does to astronomy observations. I suspect it probably means that something important is going to happen, because this is rather like seeing a star moving across the heavens. Maybe this is the moment when Mr. Trump is going to claim enlightenment, and or maybe Nadine Dorries is going to have an idea, maybe write another book. The Plot, Part 2. The possibility of a slight trajectory change always exists, which is why NASA closely monitors near-Earth objects. However, the likelihood of a collision is extremely low for this particular flyby. Future approaches and mini-moons, interestingly, this asteroid will return in 2035, once again making a close approach to Earth. In addition, other smaller asteroids like 2024 PT5 is expected to temporarily become a mini-moon for a short period later this month, and this celestial body, just under 10 meters across, is believed to be a fragment of our own moon. The importance of tracking these things, and by NASA and other agencies actively working on planetary defense strategies, including the recent DART mission, which effectively altered the orbit of an asteroid in 2022. I don't know whether that was terribly wise. All of this is very important and should focus our minds significantly more than blowing each other up in Ukraine. It demonstrates, this thing in 2022. It demonstrates that we have the ability to potentially divert hazardous near-Earth objects in the future, but only if we work together. And while 2024 ON poses no immediate risk, the possibility of future asteroid impacts is a reminder of the need for continued vigilance and harmony, working together. Events like these underscore, I think this is a more dangerous issue than the fear that we might be attacked by an alien race. And it should concentrate the mind. We are a vulnerable species, and we rely on early detection. And while 2024 ON will not be visible without a telescope, it coincides with a rare celestial event, a partial lunar eclipse visible across Europe, Africa, and other parts of America and Asia, adding this layer of excitement for sky watchers. But it should be something that is at the heart of our thought. We should be thinking about these things. These things are more important in the long run, and making sure that we know how to protect our planet. Because although asteroid collisions with Earth are rare, they have happened in the past. And we should prepare for. We should use our ingenuity to protect ourselves, rather than plan a future catastrophe which has never occurred to the Earth, a nuclear holocaust. That has never occurred before. But an asteroid impact, an asteroid hitting Earth, has occurred before. We know it's happened. We have evidence. And we should be using our scientific ingenuity, our technological advance to make sure that it doesn't happen again. Instead, we're wasting time throwing bombs at each other.